might not really seem like a worthy entry, but it's kind of interesting. I came to my favorite spot south of town, and it's where I come and sit and watch a lot of sunsets. And today they're predicting on the National Weather Service that there's supposed to be a very significant blizzard come through here starting this afternoon, they said. But I'm going to just take a picture of, you know, what's around and how things look and all, and you would never know it in a million years. It's just 50 degrees right now, beautiful, calm, but yet this blizzard is supposed to have 50 to 60 mile an hour winds tonight and tomorrow, and pretty not a lot of snowfall, but I think they were anywhere from 3 to 8 inches. But if you take that and blow it 50 or 60 miles an hour, it's significant anyway. I'm going to take a pan shot around here. I don't know, isn't it beautiful? That's still a little bit of snow from the last snowstorm we had a week or so ago. My gosh, all the beautiful blue skies. Almost clear. I mean, just a few high clouds. Now here's what's interesting. I'm going to start to zoom in. I hope I can do this without shaking the camera too much. See all that steel blue clouds? That's going to be the blizzard. And it is not very far away. It's just interesting that it can be so pretty right now, and it's going to be bad here in just a very few hours. So it's noon now, and they said by the afternoon. And in this part of the country, these clouds, I mean, these storm systems can come in unbelievably fast. I used to race them when I was doing a lot of cycling, which I need to get back into. That right there, let me see if I can zoom back in. Right there, we're looking northwest. And that's the way I remember them as a kid. You would see a dark blue, almost purple line forming to the north. That would get bigger and bigger and bigger. And then boom, it's here. You definitely see where the term Siberian Express comes from. It's February 24th, about 12:30. I'll zoom in one more time at this over here. And that line has grown just in the last, quite a bit in the last 30 minutes. Anyway, we'll see if the Weather Service is right. This right here is just a few hours later. You have idiots just like this out there trying to beat it. I wouldn't go start my car, let alone try to go anywhere in this. I'm supposed to do this all day, blow up to 60 miles an hour. You have idiots like that out there causing problems. But these storms can happen just that fast. Actually, I like it when these things happen. They're very, very rare. Well, this type of blizzard is very rare around here, I'll put it that way. But it lets me review my weak spots in preparedness. Well, that right there is a floor furnace, which is not dependent on the electricity outage that's likely going to happen from this storm. And I'll show you another backup. Right there's my propane setup, totally independent of the natural gas anyway. So, and we can go in here and I'll show you. There's gas setup that's independent of electricity or anything else. So if we lose power, and we probably will, I'm not going to sit here and freeze to death. And it's a bad storm. It's actually pretty bad. It's maybe up to 18 inches, blowing 60 miles an hour. There's actually incredibly stupid people out in it. Nevertheless, I get to review the weaknesses in my plan and correct those weaknesses. So I'm actually kind of glad when these things happen.